Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add items to your Temu order. So let's get right into it. Now, adding items to your Temu order is very easy. You just need to add them all to your shopping cart. And then from there on, you just need to proceed to checkout and check out for all of those different items. Now, if the items are coming from different places, you might have them separated into different orders depending on when they'll arrive. However, usually, if not in pretty much all scenarios, you will get them pretty much immediately, or all of them will be within one order. So yeah, what you need to do is to add them to your order, and the way that you do that, you just browse the store, click on the cart icon, and that will add it to cart. So just click add to cart once you select which option you want. So for example, let's say this one, click add to cart, and as you can see, it's been added to the cart. I have a £10 minimum shop, so I can just add something else, for example this as well, and as you can see, it has been added to my cart. If we go to my cart, you'll see all of these items within one order. Then you can go into checkout and then select the method of payment you want, as well as all your credentials that you need, as well as your address. And once you're done with that, all of your items will be on one order and your order will be en route to your address. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.